Welcome to the chemistry lab. This is our chemistry lab. So in our laboratory, safety is our first concern. So everyone should have the following this safety personal protective equipment to perform or to enter into the chemistry lab. Please come inside. And here you can see the list of do's and don'ts in the chemistry lab. All these we have to perform, or all these we have to follow to stay or to perform any kind of experiment or to be in the lab. These are the list of experiments. And here we have the first aid box. If anything happens, then we can do the first aid to the students. Okay. Now here is our list of. Please come here. Here is our list of experiments according to the Jharkhand University of Technology. These are the experiments we perform for the first and second semester students. Okay. Now here you can see these are the working days for the analytical and chemical experiments. If we need any kind of tap water and sink, these are the two. 4 sets and 2 sink for the experiments. And here if we come, if we need to perform any experiment which with hazardous chemicals, we perform these experiments here. This is the fume hood which takes up all the chemical vapors and hazardous things from the chemicals. And here we have the hazardous chemicals cabinet where we store the strong acids and hazardous chemicals inside this. And we always ensure that nobody should handle those chemicals without prior permission from the instructor. This is our distillation setup. All the experiments we perform with water. We first prepare the distilled water by this setup. Now when we store this, we store the sensitive and low temperature chemicals here in this freezer. We have 2 sensitive balance and 2 less sensitive balance. So we weigh the chemicals with this using this balance. And these are the working desk and setups. And in our chemistry lab, we perform the experiment in a small batches or small groups. And in a single group, maximum 3 to 4 students perform their experiments. Okay, thank you.
This is our physics laboratory. Here, safety rules, don'ts for physics laboratory are given here. These are the list of experiments performed by our first semester students. We are carrying out 6 experiments, and all these experiments are kept here or another laboratory. According to this list of experiments, this is the first list of experiment, Helmholtz coil. Helmholtz coil, aim of this experiment is to study the variation of magnetic field with distance along the axis of circular coil carrying current and to calculate the diameter of the coil. Now, this is another experiment setup, the Frank experiment setup. The aim of this setup is to determine the excitation potential of atoms. This is another experiment of Helmholtz coil. Similarly, again there are some setups of Helmholtz coil are placed in this laboratory. Now, we are performing 3 experiments, LCR meter. Using this LCR meter, aim is to measure the resonance phenomena with this circuit. Now we are going to our next laboratory, dark room. Here, this is our physics dark room. Inside this dark room, there are several instruments are placed here. This instrument is Planck constant. We are measure the Planck constant using photoelectric cell. Now, is to measure the Lorentz force in a vacuum tube. This is the dispersive power experiment setup. We have to measure the dispersive power of a material with the help of a prism. Now, next experiment setup is laser experiment. We have to determine the diffraction and interference phenomena with the help of this experiment, laser experiment. Now, this is another experiment setup for determine the Planck constant using photoelectric cell.
Engineering lab. This is the vision and mission of Charas Engineering College, and this is the safety instruction of the lab instruction, do and don'ts. And this is the name of the laboratory paper. We have the 12 experiment. This is the experiment name. This is the first experiment, different connection of three-phase power transformer. And we have the ammeter, voltmeter. This is a 2 voltmeter, 2 ammeter. This is the connection of this experiment. This is the transformer. This is the load, three-phase resistance load. This is the second experiment, speed control of three-phase induction motor by the voltage, frequency control. This is the induction motor. We have to, in this experiment, we know about the voltage, basic term, voltage, current, and the power factor. This is the top speed characteristics of induction motor. Operation in induction motor or induction generator. This is another experiment of 2-pole, 4-pole operation. Direction reversal by change of phase pins of three-phase connections. This is the another experiment to measure the armature field resistance of DC machines. This experiment name is the open circuit characteristics of a DC shunt generator. This is another experiment, a DC shunt motor. This is the operating characteristics of synchronous generator and standstill along mode with load. This is the transformer experiment. We know about load voltage and transformer voltage or primary secondary voltage. This is the RLC circuit experiment, calculation of impedance. This is the variable frequency three-phase voltage source inverter. This is a transformer experiment, open circuit, short circuit test of single phase transformer. The different component of switch gear, that is DP-MCB relay with base, rotary switch, MCB, reverse forward switch. This is RNC series circuit, and this is the VA characteristic tungsten and carbon lamp. This is a measuring instrument that is called measuring instrument of the real life resistor, capacitor, inductor as a multimeter. This is a voltmeter and ammeter. These are different resistance of different ratings and capacitance and inductance. This to study characteristics of the fluorescent lamp. This is the fluorescent lamp. This is the different instrument of this board. This is to study RLC parallel circuit.
English Communication Language Lab. Here the students learn about English languages taught. This is the syllabus of the GUT which is being prescribed to our students. There are total number of 10 modules. According to that, there are a list of 10 experiments which are here, and the COPO's mappings are there. And this is the view of our English Communication Language Lab, which basically the 4 pillars of language we used to follow: reading, speaking, listening, and writing. Here the students are taught through audio-visual mode. This is the projector. From here the students learn to present the PowerPoint presentation. They used to present the PowerPoint presentation, which develops the presentation skills of the students. This is the LCD screen here where our student learn about the various NPTEL courses that have been provided through various IITs. It is fully Wi-Fi and fully AC. This lab is, and various types of webinars, seminars are conducted, and students become more confident over here. This is the main thing about how the language lab helps our students in building their personality as well as their career. Okay, thank you.
Here in workshop 1, we have various machine tools. This workshop is primarily for first year students. Here we teach them carpentry, machining processes and various other things also. This is our machine shop lab. Here we have different machines like milling machines, drilling machines, boring machines,